So hello friend, greetings from Physiotrance Academy. So this is the official mail and also it is updated on dashboard. It will be soon updated and it is notified that you can see due to unavoidable circumstances examination for the following group will be conducted later, that is postponement of this exam that is mentioned as per notice 171 by 125 2025 dated 7/1/2025. You can see the post. These are the post, and here post category 43, that is demonstrator physiotherapy, junior occupational therapy, multi rehab worker, physiotherapist category. They are also exam is postponed till further notice. Okay, so this is an important notification. Exam is postponed and the accurate time, date will be answered by Aiims in the Aiims website shortly. Till then, keep practicing, and for question papers, please call us on +91 9564 736713 or in Physiotrance 2023 @gmail.com. Thank you.